vision, hard work and commitment. The three wheels that rotate together towards a fruitful result. It's natural for human beings to believe that babies happen as a matter of course, until the devastating truth hits some of us. Fertility problem, a harsh reality of life. India is booming, but the changing lifestyle has come with a price: stress. As a consequence, there is a significant increase in the problem of delayed fertility. It's a personal trauma. The couple involved suffers silently. There are psychological implications, leading to enormous emotional, physical, and even financial strain. It's also a public tragedy. The societal pressures further increase the couple's agony, affecting their careers, adding to the already high stress levels at the most active, productive phases of their lives. All this makes fertility problems more than just a problem, a disease. It's almost a social curse, which is why it needs more than just a fertility clinic. It needs a whole movement for life. And thus, The Origin was born. The Origin, the International Fertility Center.
The Origin Center is one of the largest fertility centers in India. It is a dedicated, focused, multi-speciality hospital, mainly for women, of course. The center has doctors like us who have been trained in England, who have higher skills. We've done research in endoscopic surgery and fertility for long periods of time, and then have become experts in this area. The Origin Center has international faculty members such as Tom Lyons, a very senior American endoscopic surgeon, Richard Penketh, who is one of the senior British endoscopic surgeons, Nazar Ramso, Emmanuel Kalul, Reena Jain, Reena Agarwal. There are many such international experts who have very willingly signed up to be on the panel of this hospital. We also emphasize that this is a training center. We have at least 7 endoscopic surgery stack systems just for training. I mean, this probably would be the most equipped center all across India. So the Origin is not just about treating patients. The Origin is about helping pass on our skills to other trainees. The Origin is about the society. The Origin is about bringing about mechanisms which can help all the poor as well as the rich to relieve their suffering. The Origin for us is a dream, and for us it is a dream that has come true, and we hope we can make such more dreams come true for all our patients and the doctors across the country. And it gives me a great pleasure to introduce Dr. Rajeshri, who has supported me throughout all that I have done so far.
A fertility problem can be really an emotional roller coaster for the patient. They go through a lot of hardship. We here at Origin Center not just believe in giving the medical treatment, but we believe in giving the emotional and the psychological support which the couple needs during this treatment. The day we see the happiness on our patients' faces, that's the day when the dream of Origin comes true. And hopefully there will be many more such occasions for Origin International Fertility Center.
The Origin is a labor of love of Dr. Sandeep and Rajeshri Mane, well-known medical practitioners who have returned to India after 15 years of successful practice and study in the UK. Both felt the urge to put their knowledge in the service of their fellow Indians. Both left lucrative careers in the UK with the sole aim of giving something back to their country. Both had a dream to come back to their roots. Drs. Sandeep and Rajeshri Mane acquired special skills in fertility and endoscopy. They have established this super speciality hospital dedicated to women with a special focus on the advanced treatment of fertility and gynecological problems. Dr. Sandeep Mane is the first Indian doctor to become the director of the Surgical Skills course at the Royal College of Obstetrics and Gynecology, London. He is also a highly sought-after trainer who has tutored over 15,000 doctors in the UK. Dr. Rajeshri Mane is a specialist in the treatment of fertility problems. having made well-researched and well-documented presentations on the subject all over Europe. The Origin was set up with a clear mission: to offer quality care to patients, to impart professionalism and communication skills to doctors, to conduct research to improve healthcare for women, and to create opportunities to serve society. The Origin is committed to bringing a child into the lives of couples with fertility problems. At the Origin, we are specialists in the treatment of fertility problems, bringing the complete range of options under one roof. We offer any treatment available in the world for this problem. Top-notch American and British experts have signed up to be on the panel of this hospital. Spread over 6,000 square feet across 3 floors, the Origin is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, operation theatres, ultrasound rooms and a pathology laboratory. All the equipment has been imported from the UK, the US and Europe. An entire floor is dedicated to fertility-related functions: IVF theatre for egg collection, sperm banking and storage facilities, ICSI for egg fertilization and so on. Each floor is protected by fingerprint identification systems, restricting entry only to the concerned top-level staff. This apart, the Origin has elaborate arrangements to train doctors, including an advanced conference room and training center. This has facilities for live link surgery and live relay from the microscopes in the IVF laboratory. We've attempted to make the hospital a friendly place. Spacious consulting areas, bright wards with LCD televisions, aesthetically designed rooms. Everything, in short, to make the patient stay a comfortable one. The Origin aims to be the premier center for the treatment of fertility problems, where patients can come with complete confidence, because it is our vision to put a smile on the face of every childless couple, to alleviate their pain, to offer them hope, to give them the gift of life, because the Origin is where life begins. The Origin, the International Fertility Center, the super speciality hospital for women, poised to become an international destination for people with fertility problems.
And from the very first day, what we liked best was the confidence that Dr. Mane had given to us. The one-to-one talk he had with us and the environment and the way he dealt with us, basically explaining every nuance, every detail of the problem that we had. I think it's the best thing to happen to Thane, a center like this called Origin, and we are very proud to have Dr. Mane here.
For me, they have been more than friends. They have created miracle and magic in my life, and I'm glad that God sent them from UK just for me.
The Origin is the best place for the people like us who has lost hope. I mean, I had 2 miscarriages in last 1 year, and after coming over here, Dr. Sandeep Mane and Rajshri Mane has really helped me a lot. They had given me a hope, and now I have new life, and this is the best place for the people, I mean, who has lost their hope and who think nothing will happen and life is ended. For them, it's really a best place.
This baby is the first baby of Origin. We are late married, and we were anticipating some complications, and also complications regarding conceiving, and I already had a fibroid, being a high risk case, and we thank Dr. Sandeep Mane and Dr. Rajshri Mane for their unique services, which are purely dedicated.
Every child that is born is proof that God has not yet given up on man. Rabindranath Tagore.
Congratulations, pregnancy test is positive.
And the Origin does its little bit.